Hi, we use tooltips to show additional data concerning a certain data point. They can be simple labels or small charts derived from separate report pages. In this video, you will learn how to create tooltips.
I created a simple dataset by importing and connecting two tables, a fact table named transactions and a dimension table named items. Further, I added a simple column chart that shows sold quantities by classification. If you want to present additional data relating to a data point, the easiest way is to create a simple tooltip. Do it by dragging a dimension into a tooltip field. I added SPC, which is a sales price, into a tooltip field and used an aggregation function to calculate its maximum. When I hover over a data series, a tooltip will pop up showing classification, sum of quantity, and max of SPC. Common tooltips are great, but I prefer to see a whole report after hovering data series. Now I will show you how to add a report as a tooltip. Add a new page and rename it to RPT. Give page custom dimensions. Let us say 300 by 400. Choose light blue as a background and set transparency to 0. Allow this page to be used as a tooltip. Create a pie chart that shows sold quantities by vendor. Now let's go to the report page. Go to Formatting menu. In the General tab, you can see a Tooltip section. Set that report shows page RPT as a tooltip. Now, when you hover, certain data point, you will see which vendors are connected to selected classification. Thank you for your time. Have a wonderful day.